we're going to be doing Coyote Stitch, which is one of your basic 5 stitches. And these are some samples of, you can tell I love this. I think I did 7 of these during the Super Bowl a couple years ago. So it just shows you how fast you can get them done. So what we're going to do is size 8 seed bead, size 3mm cube. Most of the kits will be 8s with 3mm cubes, and then a toggle. So if you don't like it as thick, this is about a 1 1/4 to 1 1/2 inch bracelet. I know some of you have much smaller wrist or much more daintier than I am. So you probably want to only do it that thick. And if that's the case, you're going to put on 2 8s, 2 cubes, and 2 8s.